Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something I'm going to try and do semi-regularly anyway. I was kind of inspired by Thetela's Foundation Friday series. Foundation is not something I necessarily struggle with. Everybody has a product, I think, that just, they have a hell of a time trying to find the one that doesn't have some sort of glaring flaw that is somehow a deal breaker. For me, that's mascara. I have tried so many different mascaras, but I always end up having one of two, or both, problems that lead me to never repurchase that mascara again. I have very sparse, very straight eyelashes that refuse to hold a curl, and the way my face is shaped, my lashes will touch my cheekbones. So at some point or another during the day, my mascara will start to transfer and I will have like these little black shadows under my eyes. It's been infinitely frustrating to me. I have tried everything and nothing has seemed to work for me. So I've decided to methodically go through and just try different mascaras and see if I can find one that will meet my criteria for maybe not even a holy grail, but a workable mascara that I can use on my top and bottom lashes. Number one, it holds a curl. My lashes are stubbornly straight. I can curl them, but the moment mascara hits them, they will fall flat and they will stay that way all day. Number two, it doesn't transfer. I just want to find a mascara that does not transfer under my eyes. I have only found a few that don't transfer, but they won't work for my top lashes, so I don't use them. This is where Mascara Monday comes in. Today I'm gonna actually be reviewing the Hourglass Extreme Lash Mascara. I got this little mini size in my last Sephora order. I'd heard good things about the Extreme Lash Mascara, but I wanted to try this on my own. But good lord, is it expensive. The full-size mascara retails for $29, which is a lot for a mascara that you end up pitching in 3 months. The mini mascara retails for $14, but again, I got this as a free sample as part of my Sephora order. Now let's see if I can get this damn thing out. I will be the first to jump in to say that I love Hourglass's packaging. It's so sleek. I mean, like, I don't know if you've seen their foundation sticks or their ambient lighting powders or anything else like that. It's just beautiful. The full-size mascara is also gorgeous, but they kind of withheld a little bit, I feel. On the mini, it's just a black plastic. Nothing really exciting there. The full-size mascara contains 0.33 ounces. The mini contains 1.19 ounces. I'm going to start by curling my lashes, and I use the Kevin Kwan lash curler. I found this does amazing with my eye shape. A lot of regular curlers will pinch me just because of the curvature of the curler part. But this does pretty well. This and the Shiseido both work really well on me. Both can be found at Sephora, if I recall correctly. Let's check out the spoolie on this. It's a pretty standard mascara spoolie. This looks like it's like the little silicone synthetic spikes, which I'm not a huge fan of. They generally don't provide a lot of volume. They're great with lengthening and separation, but they suck at volume. But let's give it a shot anyway. Okay, let's curl my lashes. And then we'll go in with mascara on that first lash. I usually have to go in right away. This is a stickier, thicker formula, which I like. I don't like really thin mascara formulas. They just don't have enough hold. Now this The mini mascara is kind of a pain in the ass because the handle is so close to the actual spoolie that it's hard to get in difficult places, like corners. Okay, first impressions. It seems to be holding a curl pretty well. It's got a lot of volume, and it does well with lengthening. I'm pleased. I'm pleased so far. This dries pretty quickly, I've noticed. Like, it's drying on the spoolie. There's half decent separation on my lower lashes, which is where I normally have problems with clumping. Just because it seems to dry so fast that it doesn't have a chance to stick together. This is a very quick drying formula, which also leads me to wonder if this will need to be replaced more often than the normal standard of 3 months. I dropped it. Did you know that a side effect of some anti-anxiety and antidepressants is increased clumsiness? No lie, look it up. I drop shit all day. I just don't know why. Just like, I don't know, my fingers spasm or what, but I just lose grip and throw shit. Yeah, this dries ridiculously fast, and I suspect that this mascara would dry up in the tube a lot faster than some other mascara formulas. It's not holding a curl. My lashes aren't pin straight. Like some mascaras, especially like wet formula mascaras, they just go completely straight. And there's no salvaging them after that. This is trying to hold a curl. My current favorite for holding a curl, I use the CoverGirl Lash Blast CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. It's the one in the orange tube, and this is the waterproof version. This does beautiful things on my upper lashes. It's volumizing and lengthening and holds a curl, and it's just solid, but it makes me look like a raccoon within hours if I put it on my lower lashes. But that's my standard. And this isn't doing it. I will continue to wear this for the rest of the day to see if it like transfers beneath my eyes. I want to know if this will allow me to curl my lashes after the mascara is applied, which is not something I recommend. So using a curler after mascara increases the risk of breakage. So do at your own risk. Looks good. I don't know if it's gonna hold though. So let's see how it does. I'm gonna go ahead and curl the other one. Okay, now that my lashes are curled, like, the length is really dramatic. Pretty. I like that. I have high hopes. I'm hoping that this does not transfer because honestly, I could live with having to curl my lashes again after mascara if it held that way all day and it didn't transfer. This is not waterproof. And in my experience, a lot of non-waterproof mascaras don't transfer under your eyes. The reason for that being that just because something is waterproof doesn't mean it's oil-proof. They are still susceptible to the oils that are coming from your skin and the silicones that you use in your face products. Both of those things break down waterproof mascara. Like the waterproof mascara remover that you have under the sink, if you look at it, I guarantee there's silicones in it. So far, I really like this. And that's upsetting. I really wouldn't want to spend 30 smackers on a mascara. So I'm going to do a wear test all day, and I will check in either halfway through or tonight. So I will go ahead and check back in with you later tonight. Hey guys, so this is just my follow-up for the Hourglass mascara review for Mascara Mondays. I just got home from work. I know my makeup looks a little busted. That's what 14 hours will do. The day that I actually filmed the first part of this, I'd intended on coming back later in the day to, give my thoughts and do like a wear test and things like that. That didn't work out so well. At the season finale of Sense8, the first season, and cried like a little girl. Too many dad feels in that series. I can say that the mascara lasts well through crying. I haven't seen the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara advertised as waterproof, but I can say it's water resistant. My mascara didn't budge until I was like actually wiping at my face with like tissues and things like that. But that kind of shot my wear test in the ass for the day. However, I have been wearing that mascara continuously since then. That was about a week and a half ago. So I have an even better review. I am wearing the Hourglass mascara right now. This never managed to hold a curl. I pondered whether this mascara would dry up quickly in the tube, and I'm beginning to think that I am right. I mean, I only have the like little mini travel size one, but it's drying up remarkably fast. Despite drying up a little bit, which is usually like the sweet spot of a mascara, it's not giving any additional advantages. It's not holding a curl any better. It's not providing any volume necessarily. It's just drying out a little bit. It doesn't hold a curl, but it does not transfer. Today, I've got a little bit of transfer like right here. Just a little. For 14 hours, I'm not mad. But unfortunately, this falls short of the Holy Grail status that I have been so desperately searching for in mascara. So, anyway, I really did like this mascara. It was great, but I would not drop 29 smackers on the full-size tube. Heck, I probably wouldn't drop however much they want for the mini-size tube. It was just kind of okay. Anyway, I just got home from a very long shift, and I'm gonna go change out of my scrubs and scrounge up some food and edit some videos and then go back to sleep because I get to do it all again tomorrow. Alright guys, thank you so much.